How to prepare coconut sambol. Pol sambola or coconut sambol is a favorite food of many Sri Lankans. This dish is usually served with hot white rice, and can be accompanied with dried fish. To anyone who faves Asian food, coconut sambol is a must to try. Here is the simplest and the most common recipe to prepare coconut sambol. Ingredients: scraped coconut 5 tablespoons full, small red onions 3-4, chili powder 2-1-2 teaspoons, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt, lime 1, dried Maldives fish pieces 1 tablespoon. Steps: 1. Scrape some coconut and keep it aside. 2. Peel off 2 or 3 red onions, small, wash them and chop them. 3. Put the chopped onions into a bowl and add chili powder, pepper, salt, Maldive fish pieces and mix them well with your fingers until you make a rough paste. 4. Squeeze the lime juice to the paste and knead again. 5. Add the coconut on top of the paste and mix the paste well with the coconut, with your fingers until you get an orange-colored coconut mix. 6. Put the sambol into a nice bowl and serve with hot white rice. This is more tasty if you eat this with your fingers. 7. Enjoy. Tips: you can add a little more chili powder if you need it spicy, or you can add less chili powder if you want it to be less spicy. This dish is not at all very spicy if you add the ingredients in reasonable amounts. So don't be afraid to eat it if you are not very familiar with spicy food. The amounts of ingredients listed are just suggestions. You can add them to your taste.